Hello students, welcome to my channel T Plus Class 9th Chapter 1 Number System. Today I will discuss about some basic types of numbers. So number 1, even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are multiple of 2 or can be divisible by 2. Multiples means उसके टेबल में आने वाले numbers. For example 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. These all numbers are called even numbers. Second, odd numbers. Odd numbers which does not come in the table of 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are all are called odd numbers. Third, prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself, like 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These all are prime numbers. Factors of 2 means हम उसको छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में कर सकें. 2 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 into 2. हम किसी और फॉर्म में नहीं लिख सकते. तो इसका मतलब उसके कितने फैक्टर्स हैं? 2 फैक्टर्स हैं ओनली. एक तो 1 और एक वो. Similarly with 3, 1 into 3. It also has 2 factors, 1 and itself. And so on, 5, 7 and so on. Fourth are composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9 and so on. See, 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 1, right? And we can also write 4 into 1. So 4 have more than 2 factors, that is 2, 1 and 4 itself. So it has 3 factors. Therefore we call them as a composite numbers. And you can see that neither 1 comes here nor here. Therefore 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. Fifth, co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are those numbers whose GCD is equals to 1. GCD or HCF are one and the same thing. GCD means greatest common divisor. HCF means highest common factor. So highest common factor is equals to 1. For example, let's first take 6 and 8. For example, we will take their HCF. 6 can be written in the form of 6 is 3 into 2 and 8 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. What is common between 6 and 8? It is 2. HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Okay, this is our HCF. Now let's take HCF of 8 and 9. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, while 9 is equals to 3 into 3 into 1. Therefore there is nothing common in between them except 1. So highest common factor of 8 and 9 is 1. Please observe that 8 and 9 are not prime numbers, but their common factor is 1. Therefore they are called co-primes. So there is a difference between prime numbers and co-prime numbers. Prime numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and itself, while co-prime numbers are those whose HCF is equals to 1. So here I conclude my basic types of numbers. Please subscribe my channel and thank you so much.